another video. It's Goli. So today we want to see how we can install Pycharm on Kali Linux because it's one of the best IDE for Python. And let's get started. So here, download Pycharm, and the first link, you can go to the first link, the JetBrains website. There are two different editions: professional, community. Professional you have to pay, but community we can use it. We download it here, and then you should choose save. But because I already downloaded, so I don't want to do it again. And let's see what's the next step. Yeah, I want to here close the tabs. And okay, after downloading, you will have it here, and there is a zip file. Here you can extract it, and it takes a couple of seconds. Okay, now we have the folder here, so we open it. We will go here, and from directory bin we will go to the terminal, and then we can continue there. So let's see what we have here. So we want to run this file pycharm.sh. So and then we will have our Pycharm. Yeah, Pycharm is loading, and yeah, that's it. It's so easy. So we have the Pycharm here, and if we want to add it to our desktop, here create desktop entry, and then okay, and yeah, then we can have it and start the tour. So we can go to the environment and test file. So basically you should know it. If you don't know, there are some test files here, you can play with them, but the installation is just that. It's so easy. And if we close it here, we can see it here as well, because we add it here. You can see here Pycharm community. So it was it. I hope you enjoy, and have a nice day.